Good afternoon, everyone. This is the video rationale for the commercial for the My Head Aloud brand rollout. The task was to create a 6 or 15-second video commercial of exactly that length. The message had to be clear while communicating immediately. Additionally, with a brand rollout, what needs to be established is not only brand familiarity, but also brand memorability. What makes something memorable can often be hard to pin down, but some key elements that contribute to this are simplicity, timelessness, and a compelling message. For that reason, the advertisement was split into two, with the first label being Life, and the second being the logo of My Head Aloud. The idea was to create a commercial that underscored the parts of memorability. Splitting it into two made it simple. To ensure brand consistency, the brand fonts for the header and subhead were used for both the messaging and the call to action. Storytelling was utilized throughout the commercial to convey both parts of the story, the first being the expression of human life in a relatable yet not generic 7-second message, and the second being a sneak peek into the experience of My Head Aloud. The first rough draft and idea consisted of the same format of splitting the commercial in half, but incorporating black and white footage to communicate the struggles of daily life. But when applied into a tradition, it was found that black and white emitted more sorrow than it did struggle. The collaboration during this commercial consisted of the course director and the creator of the video commercial. Although no other critique was given, that feedback allowed for complete polishing and ensured brand consistency. A few major takeaways from the task were the immense amount of footage one needs to scroll through when looking to acquire not just the correct asset, but the right one. Additionally, sound syncing on Adobe Premiere Pro is a challenge, unlike doing it in After Effects. The management schedule was executed as designed initially, with no changes required. Moreover, a helpful skill that was discovered was copying keyframes from one element in Premiere Pro to the other, saving the user time with similar elements. In conclusion, the commercial is memorable while also staying consistent with the other brand assets, asserting itself as a successful and cohesive brand rollout commercial video. Thank you for listening in on my video rationale. Have a great day.